draw a lightning bolt. Click the diagonal line icon to use the line tool. Click and drag. If you hold the Shift button, you can make a straight line or a diagonal line. Connect from line to line using each dot point that's located at the end of each line. Draw the lightning bolt like it's a coloring book, meaning just the outlines of the drawing, creating a triangle shape, zigzag pattern like our lightning bolt. Connect your lines, closing your shape, and creating an outline like a coloring book. Now click the paint bucket, choose the color yellow, and boom, we have our lightning bolt. Thanks for watching.